How's it going, everybody? It's CJ here once again with Bothners, and today we're looking at this, the Roland SP-404 Mk II. People have been waiting for this for a very long time. It is Roland's newest version of the SP-404, the linear wave sampler, their sort of flagship portable sampling device used by absolutely millions of producers the world over. And they've really rethought the unit and brought it into a sort of modern age with a lot more functionality and capabilities. And we're about to unbox the very first unit in South Africa. Let's take a look what's inside. Alrighty, let's get this thing open. First thing you see, SP-404 Mk II. Your classic bit of manuals and warranty sign up, information. A very cool Mk II design on the styrofoam, pretty classy. And then we get into the meat and potatoes. Our standard Roland PSA power adapter. And it looks like the unit itself. Man, these things are always bigger than you expect. And this is just some styrofoam protection. Let's move this off to one side. And get into the unit itself. Really simple. Not a whole lot in the box, but at the end of the day, the only thing that matters is the unit itself, right? And there it is. The very first Roland SP-404 Mk II in South Africa. There is far too much to say about this incredibly powerful sampler in this short video. This was just to show you guys that we at Bothners have these in stock at last, and you can grab them at bothners.co.za or ask about them at any one of our physical stores all across the country. But I will see you guys next time.